Hi, I'm Priska, and I'm not just a snack, I'm a lovable snack. Come with me as I get ready to spread a little of that love on campus with my friends. Being a lovable snack doesn't mean I'm a pushover or unpredictable, guys. It simply means I bring warmth wherever I go with a few sweet surprises along the way. I'm not the type to demand attention, I simply enjoy being myself, and somehow that tends to draw people in. And before you know it, we're sharing laughs, creating memories, and building genuine connections. You don't realize you're hooked until you actually figure out you are, and that's part of the magic of being a lovable snack. Whether it's like giving my friends a warm hug during this cold season or putting a smile on their faces to ease some of the pressure from the exams that are fast approaching. I believe life is better when you leave a little sweetness wherever you go.
We are ready to go to jail.